In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant error code VAL29. So to go and fix this, we first need to open up the start menu, go and search for the word services and click on this window here. We're then going to scroll right down to the bottom of this page and you should see a service here called VGC. Go and double click on this. Now change the startup type from manual to automatic and then go and click on start in order to start the service. Once you've done that, you can press apply and OK. Now the next thing you need to do is close out of here and open back up the start menu, go and search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, go and type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. You then need to type in netsh winsock reset and press enter. Once you've done that, close out of this window and open up the start menu, go and search for control panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, make sure view by is set to large icons and then click on network and sharing center. You can then click on your connection from the list, click on properties and double click on Internet Protocol version 4. You then need to come down to the bottom and select use the following DNS server addresses and go and type in 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. You can then press OK and OK at the bottom, and once you've done that you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the next solution is to open up the start menu and go and search for Riot client. You then need to right click on this and select open file location. You then need to right click on the Riot client again, click on open file location and then just go and copy this address at the top here. So I'm going to right click and press copy. You then need to open up the start menu and search for Windows Defender and go and click on Windows Defender Firewall. You can then select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender on the left hand side, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then you need to go and paste in that address that we just copied and press enter. You can then double click on the Riot client services and then go and press add. Now once you've added the Riot client in this list, make sure the private and the public option are both checked. And then we also need to go and add Valorant. So we're going to click allow another app, click on browse again, and then you just need to locate Valorant on your computer. So mine's on my C drive. Then I need to scroll down and double click on Riot Games, double click on Valorant, click on live, and then double click on this Valorant file here. Once you've added this, press add, and you'll also need to do the same for this Bootstrap package game. Make sure both private and public are ticked. Once you've done all of that, you can press OK at the bottom of this page to save your changes. And the final step is just to open up the start menu, search for network reset and go and click on this option here. You then need to press the reset now button and then just go and press yes. Once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer and that should have fixed the Valorant error 29. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.